In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a symbol in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you need special characters, copyright symbols, accents, currency symbols, mathematical signs, or any other character that isn't on your standard keyboard. Whether you're working on a school assignment, business document, or professional report, knowing how to add symbols quickly can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the document where you want to place the symbol. Make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the symbol to appear because Word will insert it at the current insertion point. This part is important, especially if you are adding symbols into a sentence, heading, or list. Next, look at the top menu and click the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Word keeps options for adding extra content into your document, like pictures, tables, charts, links, and symbols. Once you're on the Insert tab, find the Symbols group on the right side of the ribbon. In that section, click Symbol. When you click Symbol, Word will show a list of commonly used characters. If the symbol you want is already there, you can simply click it and Word will insert it straight into your document. This is the fastest way to add frequently used symbols like the registered sign, degree symbol, or basic special characters. If you don't see the symbol you need right away, don't worry, just select more symbols. This opens the full symbol gallery where you can browse many different character sets. Here, you'll find a much larger collection of symbols, including letters with accents, arrows, technical symbols, and more. You can scroll through the list until you find the exact character you want. Once you locate the symbol, click it and then choose Insert. The character will appear in your Word document right where your cursor is placed. After that, you can close the symbol window and continue typing as normal. If you use a symbol often, this method makes it easy to add it whenever needed. And if you're formatting documents regularly, learning this quick process can make your workflow much smoother. It's a small feature, but it can be a big time saver. So, to recap, go to the Insert tab, click Symbol in the Symbols group, and either choose the character directly or open more symbols to browse the full set. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, productivity tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.